and I'm back, and I'm going to scrapbook that photo of my nephew and my great nephew. It is one of my absolute favorite photographs of the two of them together. It's so them. So this will be the last layout for my mini kit Monday, April 2020 kit. In case you haven't heard this before, I just kept going because I still had plenty of kit left and used it until I got tired of it. In all seriousness, I was tired of scrapbooking with those specific colors. And so I used this kit, and I'd kind of all along planned to use that background paper just because their shirts are that color. And that background paper is the Doodlebug Petite Prince, of course, and it's the blue jean daisy stripe because there's daisies on the back. Or I'm sorry, that's not right. It's the blue jean dot stripe. The stripe paper that is right under this plaid is the daisy stripe paper. So that's a daisy stripe paper. Both of them, but the Petite Prince though, right? Then I matted the photo onto that plaid paper, which is from Doodlebug Dragon Tales. It's the Viking plaid, which is an older collection. It was a birthday collection, but I love how this gives a pop of color. And then I want something a little bit different. I don't want just a straight surrounding mat. So I grabbed that turquoisey colored paper from the Bella Boulevard Oh My Stars 6x8 pads. And that is like those pads, you've seen me use that paper a lot because they make great backgrounds and mats and layers. So I'm over there cutting it up. You can't see me. I have a Caterpillar Pro platform trimmer, so it's not easy to just kind of move into the camera. So I just cut on the side there. This is going to be a pretty simple layout because I really want all the attention focused on the photo itself. And so that's what I'm really going to do with this. That, you know, their expressions are so priceless to me in this. And this is going to go in his album, but just want to make sure. Then I'm adding in a little something there that wasn't in my original kit, if you caught that, and that's that smile word. So that is from Bella Boulevard. It's one of their acrylic words, and I used two other words, fearless and creative. And when I saw this photo, I'm like, oh my gosh, I think I still have that smile word there, and their smiles are so goofy. That smile on my great nephew is his normal fun little smile. My nephew's being silly. But anyways, so I grabbed that because I knew I had it and it was perfect. And because it's my kit, I can do stuff like that. It's using up a very old product that I have. Well, not very old. I guess it's probably about two years old, I think. I think it's been about 2 years since they did a warehouse sale. All right. So now that I have that figured out, I want to come in and I'm going to center the matted photograph and paper on the in the center of this. And I'm trying to decide here if I'm going to add the smile to the top of the plaid paper or the top of the striped paper. And I'm obviously taking a long time to decide that. Now, you guys, this is almost real time here. As it's kind of crazy because really it only took me about 10 minutes to get this all put together once I had everything selected. All right, there we go. So right now I'm thinking smile at the top there. And then I decide, nope, I think I want the smile to sit on the background of the, oh, now I'm deciding again, sorry. I'm sorry, I gave you that a little bit early. I cut the side of the paper a little bit. Now I've decided I want the smile on the background paper because it's a darker paper, so I think the smile just really pops off of that and draws your attention to their smiles. And oh my gosh, I'm taking a lot of time here. This is what real-time scrapbooking looks like, you guys. All right, adding my ATG in, and you could tell by like how slow my ATG is moving. That's real time. And I like my edges mostly glued down. You know, I use a little bit here and there, so that's why I'm taking the time to do that. Some people like them popped up, and even some people will feather their edges a little bit so it pops up even more. And I do have some that aren't like completely stuck down, but I tend to like them mostly stuck down. That's just a personal preference. They're good either way. All right, so I'm going to put that like the one side of the M on the top and then also the L there, so it looks like it's resting on there, but everything else is kind of, or things are coming below that as well too. Okay. Now I found this little phrase sticker from Simple Stories Little Dude, the 4x6 stickers, and it says Daddy's favorite little co-pilot. And I love that saying, but I can't use it on my grandson's layouts because, you know, there's 3 of them. So here it's great because there's only one boy, you know, there's only, first of all, he's the only one right now in the family. So he has a little sister, but she's not around yet. So, and it was not at the time of this photo, so that's okay. And actually, really, this could be used on a little girl's layout. So I guess there's 4 of them. I can't be putting favorite child in any way, shape, or form on their layouts. All right, and then I just added that little tiny label sticker from the 4x6 little dude 4x6 stickers. Now, I have not really used these, so I'm grabbing my Amy Tangerine Hustle and Heart sticker book here, and I have a hard time using these a lot of times because they are clear see-through stickers, even though they're colored. But I really like the pop of blue that adds, but they're clear, so they kind of blend to the background a little bit. And then I found the turquoise sticker there too. So I'm looking because I want to add something towards the top near the title. So I'm thinking just another heart would be a nice way to do that here. And there's a turquoise heart and a blue heart here in the 2 different sizes. I just reversed the sizes. And I'll stick them together right there. And right up there. So you guys, that's as hard as this layout was. Again, it took me about 10 minutes to put it together. Actually, I always include the time it takes me to choose materials though too. So there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and tune back in for my layout share on Kill a Kitten.